Import scanner class. Create a class and name it. I named it mPattern. Create a main function. Make a scanner class object and named it s, and pass the predefined object system.in. Now take three integer variables I, j and n. Here I and j is for loop, and n is for user input length. Now take a length from user. Now take two integers p1 and p2 and initialize them p1 equals 1 and p2 equals n into 2 minus 1. Now start the I loop. Inside I loop, start the j loop. And now check if j equals p1 or j equals p2 or j equals 1 or j equals n into 2. And print a star. Else, print a blank string. Now close the j loop and do p1 plus plus and p2 minus minus and print a new line. Now save the file and run. And here is our pattern. Now the explanations. When we check j equals p1 it will print left to bottom star, and when we close the loop and increment, it will print the whole line. When we check j equals p2 it will print right to bottom star, and when we close the loop and decrement, it will print the whole line. So, j equals p1 and j equals p2 prints the middle portion. And when we check j equals 1 it will print the first column, and when we check j equals n into 2, it will print the last column, and at last it prints our M-shaped pattern.